Let's learn the English alphabet.
Let's learn the letter A. A is for anchor. Anchor starts with the letter A. Anchor. Can you say Let's learn the letter B. B is for baby. Baby starts with the letter B. Baby. Can you say B? Let's learn the letter C. C is for carrot. Carrot starts with the letter C. Carrot. Can you say C? Let's learn the letter D. D is for doll. Doll starts with the letter D. Doll. Can you say D? Let's learn the letter E. E is for eye. I starts with the letter E. I. Can you say E? Let's learn the letter F. F is for flower. Flower starts with the letter F. Flower. Can you say F? Let's learn the letter G. G is for gate. Gate starts with the letter G. Gate. Can you say G? Let's learn the letter H. H is for hat. Hat start with the letter H. Hat. Can you say H? Let's learn the letter I. I is for ink. Ink starts with the letter I. Ink. Can you say I? Let's learn the letter J. J is for jar. Jar starts with the letter J. Jar. Can you say J? Let's learn the letter K. K is for kettle. Kettle starts with the letter K. Kettle. Can you say K? Let's learn the letter L. L is for ladder. Ladder starts with the letter L. Ladder. Can you say L? Let's learn the letter M. M is for mango. Mango starts with the letter M. Mango. Can you say M? Let's learn the letter N. N is for nurse. Nurse starts with the letter N. Nurse. Can you say N? Let's learn the letter O. O is for ostrich. Ostrich starts with the letter O. Ostrich. Can you say O? Let's learn the letter P. P is for pale. Pale starts with the letter P. Pale. Can you say P? Let's learn the letter Q. Q is for quail. Quail starts with the letter Q. Quail. Can you say Q? Let's learn the letter R. R is for ring. Ring starts with the letter R. Ring. Can you say R? Let's learn the letter S. S is for ship. Ship starts with the letter S. Ship. Can you say S? Let's learn the letter T. T is for table. Table starts with the letter T. Table. Can you say T? Let's learn the letter U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella starts with the letter U. Umbrella. Can you say U? Let's learn the letter V. V is for volcano. Volcano starts with the letter V. Volcano. Can you say V? Let's learn the letter W. W is for window. Window starts with the letter W. Window. Can you say W? Let's learn the letter X. X is for Xerox. Xerox starts with the letter X. Xerox. Can you say X? Let's learn the letter Y. Y is for yarn. Yarn starts with the letter Y. Yarn. Can you say Y? Let's learn the letter Z. Z is for zigzag. Zigzag starts with the letter Z. Zigzag. Can you say D?